Hello guys, welcome to my channel RoboCode Academy. In this video, I will show you how you can glow a RGB LED with Arduino UNO. So you can see here in a RGB LED there is 4 pin available. Okay, so within this 4 pin, 1 pin is common and remains 3 is for 3 different color R, G and V, means red, green and blue. This is a common cathode RGB LED, means the common terminal is cathode or negative. First of all, I will connect the 220 ohms resistance with the common pin. Okay, as you know, the second pin is common, so we will connect the second pin with resistance 220 ohms. Okay, and the another end of the resistance will connect with a ground. Okay, now the remains 3 pin, the RGB will connect Arduino digital pin 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so we'll connect the blue pin with pin number 9. Okay, now we'll connect the green pin number with Arduino pin number 10. Now we'll connect the red pin of the RGB LED with Arduino pin number 11. Okay, so you can see here the circuit is completed. Okay, now we'll write a code, Arduino code for this project for to blink the LED and generate 3 different color. Okay, this is the code for this project. So you can see in the void setup we write our setup code for this project. We define here the 3 pin of the RGB LED, pin number 11, 10 and 9, and those 3 pins are output. Okay, so next is void loop. So you can see here digitalWrite 11 high, means microcontroller will high the pin number 11, means red pin. Okay, and remains 2 pin will low, so that's why the LED will glow a red light. And for green light, what we will do, we will hide the green pin. That means now pin number 10 is our green pin, so digitalWrite 10 high, means we are telling the microcontroller for to hide the pin number 10 for to generate green color. Okay, and remains 2, red and blue will be low or off. Then we are taking a delay for to off the LED, and then again we write digitalWrite pin number 11 low, pin number 10 low and pin number 9 high. Pin number 9 is our blue pin, so that's why it will generate a blue color. Okay, and then taking a delay. So what are you doing in this code? We are generating 3 different color. First we generating red, then green and then blue. 3 different color we are getting from a single LED. Okay, so now we will copy this code and paste it on the simulator. Okay, so I paste here the code. Now I'll simulate it and see what happened. So I'm click on the run simulator. So now you can see here the LED is glowing and generating 3 different color. Red, green and blue. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.